Estoy buscando por unas cosas. This is how I drive. Well, good morning. I've had a long day. In my last video, I told you a story about how some Latinas might be a bit crazy. Well, one of those stories happened yesterday. I ended up having a very rough night. I had to go to the police. I had to help this girl all night. I helped her because she's a friend, of course. Anyway, it was a rough night. I slept like 4 hours. I am tired, but it's my free day. I only have one free day in the week. I have to get some new gear for my trip. I need to get some protection. Maybe get a new helmet, get some new gloves as well, and maybe see if they have something fun. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'll give a bit of a voiceover for this video and use my camera as well.
Yeah, why not?
Driving here through Cochabamba, and yeah, the traffic is a lot crazier than in most countries, and it's a bad thing because I'm like getting used to this and I'm blend right in. Yeah, you can see this car here, man. You can see the car here is typical for Bolivia. Like all the cars here, all the taxis, they're so bad. I don't want to talk bad about Bolivia, but that's just the way it is. But in the city, Zona Norte of Cochabamba, it's very well asphalted. It looks very nice. Yeah, I see my buddy here, and overall it's fun to drive. Like the thing is, yeah, there are no cameras, so you can just drive fast if you want to. And if the police catch you, this is kind of a bad thing, but then you usually tip them off for a bit of money and they leave you alone, which is really bad, but sometimes handy. Anyway, we get here to the first store.
Buenas, ¿qué tal? Estoy buscando por unas cosas, protección para la espalda, un nuevo casco tal vez, y alforjas, ¿tienes eso?
Alforjas no tenemos.
Okay.
Ahora teníamos chaquetas con protecciones, pero ahorita no te podría.
Pero no solo.
Pero es un poco más abajo.
Ahí. Sí, ok, gracias.
Yeah, first store, couldn't find anything that I wanted, so I'm gonna go for the second.
Bueno, estoy buscando por protección por la espalda. ¿Cómo se llama?
No te espacio en la tienda.
No tiene, no fui. No fui.
También más abajo en el casco también.
Ok. Buenas. Estoy buscando por protección por la espalda. Solo la espalda, ¿no tienes?
I'm getting other directions all the time. I'm going from store to store, and none of the stores have what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some protection for my back and some side bags.
No idea where it is. Tiene solo espalda. Ain't happening. It's not gonna happen.
I decided to go to the second store to look for a helmet. Try them on, see if they look nice.
Isso aqui, mais lindo.
I liked some of the designs, but the ones that I liked didn't fit my head well, and the ones that did fit, I didn't like the designs. So in the end, I just left because I didn't find anything nice, and I felt like, I'm tired. I'm gonna go rest and eat something.
I'm tired. I'm hungry as hell. I need to go to the toilet badly.
I'm passing this little market that's right next to my apartment, which is amazing. The best fruit you will find is in South America, no doubt.
So typical of me, not buying the things that I want to buy if I go shopping. I swear to God, this always happens. But to be fair, I'm absolutely dead. I'm gonna continue this shopping thing another day. Yeah, right now, I just have to rest. I'm gonna bring my bike to the shop now to see if everything's alright for me to start a journey. It's Monday right now. No, it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday right now, and I'm gonna be traveling starting this Friday. So I'm gonna see if I need to get some new tires. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. I hope it will be okay. Let's check it out. Hola amigo. Todo bien, tranquilo. Florianópolis. Yo creo como yo voy a ir ahí. Y en julio yo voy a ir 2 meses a Holanda para ver mi familia, después yo volveré.
Ya.
Voy a ir a Paraguay a hacer mi residencia ahí y después yo volveré aquí.
falta pinchar. Jueves sí.
Sí, jueves, sí. Okay. Okay, so it comes down to cleaning the pipes or whatever that means. The injectors. Cleaning the injectors and checking the tires. They look fine, so that's the only two things that needed to be done. However, the shop is quite full. So I'm only going to be able to get my bike Thursday, the day before my travels, and I need to do some stuff tomorrow, Wednesday. It will be fine. Well, it's Thursday. I'm going to pick up my motorcycle now. I just hope the bill isn't going to be too bad. Maybe 50 euros. That's not going to be too bad. He did send me something that the wheel was like really messed up. So we're going to see it.
La limpieza del inyector y bomba de combustible, 330 bolivianos. El parchado de la llanta, 90 bolivianos. El lavado de la cadena está a 22 bolivianos.
Good job. I'm basically all ready. It's Friday morning, which means I'm gonna start my trip to Florianopolis. First stop, Bochum. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I pack my bike, and if you have any tips for how I should pack it, please let me know. I got 4 of these cords. Again, 4 of these cords. I use these to wrap my big bike on the back. Push it forward as I can, so I can have enough space here. This one here, and on the bottom you can see it's like one of these. Important thing about packing your bike like this is to keep everything as tight as you can. Let's push this.
Isaiah, you made it?
So I got all these ropes hanging around here. Right now I'm gonna pack them up a bit. Like put them in the bag here so it won't get into the tires. Yeah. I want to keep this as light as I can. So, as you can see, it's not too pretty, but I've done it before. It works perfectly. This is how I travel. As you can see, you want to get it a bit straight, so straight as you can. Let me know what you think of my setup. Anyways, I'm gonna prepare myself, put my things on. It's gonna be a bit warm in the beginning, but I think we're gonna cross some mountains in the first trip. This is how I drive, and this is how I'm gonna travel Latin America.